Hello friends, today we see the next portion of PN junction diode, unit vector 3. In this part we see the vector product of two vector, that is cross product of two vectors, and its characteristic. So first point, vector product of two vectors or cross product of two vectors. If two vectors are there, suppose again we consider that vector A and vector B, and if we take its cross product, then the cross product of two vector is same, the magnitude of first vector, product of magnitude of first vector, product of magnitude of second vector, and sine angle between them. So in this way we can say that the definition of vector product. If product of if a product of two vector gives a vector quantity, then it is known as vector product of two vectors. Like in scalars, if we take the product of two vector and if the resultant quantity is scalar quantity, then it is known as scalar product. Similarly, in case of vector, if product of two vector gives a vector quantity, then it is known as vector product of two vectors. The vector product of two vector is equal to third vector whose magnitude is equal to the product of magnitude of two vectors and sine angle between them. Product of magnitude whose the vector product of two vector is equal to the third vector. म्हणजे दोन वेक्टरचा product आहे, it is equal to third vector whose magnitude is equal to product of magnitude of two vectors A and B if two vectors are there, and if we take its magnitude, so the resultant vector's magnitude is equal to the product of magnitude of two vector and sine of the angle between them whose direction is perpendicular to the plane containing two vectors. Let A and B are two vectors and theta is the angle between A and B. The vector or cross product is denoted by A cross B equal to cross C, or C is equal to A cross vector B is nothing but AB sine theta, and n is the direction of unit vector along the direction of C, where n is the unit vector in the direction of C. So in this form we can give the cross product or vector product, and this is the symbolical representation. A cross B is equal to C. Due to this cross sign, it is also known as cross product, the vector product or cross product. Cross, it is shown by due to this multiplication sign. The direction of C is determined by right hand screw rule. So like this, if we move the screw in this direction, the screw will move inside direction. So by right hand screw rule, we can show the direction of the resultant vector. The direction of resultant vector is in this way, like the direction of the screw. The screw is held perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. The screw is rotated through an angle, the direction in which screw tip advance in the direction of vector product. So if we move the screw in this direction like this, from A to B, the screw will move in the forward direction, that is in this direction, in the direction of arrowhead. In this way, the direction of the resultant vector we will see. Example, torque. Tau is a vector quantity. It is cross product of position vector r and force F. Therefore, tau is equal to r cross F. Tau is a vector quantity. It is a cross product of position vector r and force F. So tau is equal to r cross F. The vector product does not, the characteristic of vector product, the vector product does not obey the commutative law of multiplication. Means A cross B is not equal to B cross A. In case of scalars, we say that scalar product obey the commutative law of multiplication, but here in case of vector, it will not obey the commutative law of multiplication. Means A cross B is never equal to B cross A, but at the same time A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. The magnitude of A cross B is shown by mod A cross B, it is equal to mod B cross A. Magnitudes of both the product are same but are equal, but at the same time their direction is different, therefore it is not equal, that A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but the direction are opposite to each other, and therefore it is shown like this. The direction of B cross A is not equal, but at the same time direction of B cross A is equal, therefore it is negative or opposite direction. The vector product obey distributive law of multiplication, that is A cross B plus C. If we distribute this bracket, so A cross B and A cross C, so like this A cross B plus A cross C you will get. Vector product of parallel or anti-parallel vector is always 0. For parallel vectors, here we say that A here A and B are the two parallel vectors, and here we say that between these two parallel vectors the angle theta is equal to 0. So sine theta is 0 or sine 0 is equal to 0, therefore A cross B is equal to AB sine 0, and therefore their cross product, the vector product, if they are parallel or anti-parallel, it is always 0. So A cross B is equal to 0. Here again we show that the vector A and vector B, these two are in anti-parallel direction. For anti-parallel vectors, here theta is equal to 180 degree, therefore A cross B is equal to AB sine 180, and therefore A cross B is equal to 0 because sine 180 is equal to 0, and if anything multiply by 0, therefore answer is 0, therefore A cross B equal to 0. When vectors are anti-parallel, then the cross product is 0. When vectors are parallel, then also the cross product is 0. In other words, if the vector product of two vector is 0, then the vectors are parallel or anti-parallel to each other. Means A cross B is, if it is equal to 0, then that two vectors may be in anti-parallel direction or it may be in parallel direction. If two vectors are perpendicular, to each other, the magnitude of their vector product is equal to product of their magnitudes. That is, if A perpendicular to B, means A is perpendicular to B, means their angle between them is 90 degree, theta equal to 90. Therefore A cross B is equal to AB sine 90. Therefore as value of sine 90 is 1, therefore AB into 1 is 1, therefore A cross B is equal to 1. So in this way, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then the magnitude of their vector product is equal to product of their magnitude. Product of their magnitude means the magnitude of vector A is A, the magnitude of vector B is B. So AB is the magnitude of these two vectors. So A cross B is nothing but it is equal to AB. Vector product of two vector with itself or self cross product is equal to 0. That is A cross A. A cross A means A into sine 0. If the self product is there, angle between them is 0. If angle between them is 0, then the value of sine theta is 0. Therefore A cross A is 0. Therefore A cross A equal to 0, sine 0 equal to 0. The vector product of rectangular unit vector with itself is always equal to 0. That is I cross I, J cross J, K cross K is equal to 0, because theta equal to 0, sine 0 is equal to 0. If we take the self product of unit vectors, rectangular unit vector, then it is a 0. The vector product of two different rectangular unit vector given below. If two different rectangular unit vectors, if we take cross product, then it is equal to like this. If I and J is there, their cross product is equal to K. J cross K, it is equal to I. K cross I is equal to J. Similarly, if we take opposite or if we make reverse, J cross I, it is minus K. K cross J, it is minus I cross K, it is equal to minus J. So in this way you will get the vector product of two different rectangular vectors. If it is same, rectangular unit vectors, their vector product is 0. If different rectangular unit vectors are there, then the rectangular vector product of two vector is equal to third vector. Okay, here we stop.